Hello everyone, welcome to New Ray Factory. This is Christy. Today I want to show you how glass bottles are produced from A to Z. We have 6 kilns, including 2 ordinary flint, 2 high white flint, 1 crystal white flint, and 1 amber furnace, totally 28 production lines. First, I would like to show you the warehouse for raw materials. Each batch of raw material has a test record in our lab to ensure our glass bottles' quality. This is our desulfurization and denitrification equipment. Glass removal equipment costs more than $8 million to protect the environment well. Here you can see our recycling glass processing equipment. Our workers will pick the junk out, and the recycled glass will be washed at least 3 times, then send the glass for melting. In our ordinary flint glass, we add 55% of recycled glass. In high white flint, we add 45%. New Ray wants to contribute to environmental protection. Glass can be 100% recycled. On the roofs of all our factories, our New Ray Glass factory has installed solar power generation equipment using more clean energy, reducing costs and increasing efficiency and benefiting our customers. We are the New Ray Packaging team, your reliable glass manufacturer. Here you can see our wastewater treatment equipment. It can separate oil and wastewater in the glass production process, and then recycle them to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Okay, now let's go to the workshop. This is our fourth kiln. This is our measuring room. This is the single drop IS production line. The single drop line usually produces large weight products or big diameter goods. Daily production quantity is about 60,000 pieces. Now we will go to our third kiln to see the double drop and triple drop line. This is our double drop production line. The double drop line daily output is about 230,000 pieces. So if you have a big order, we can handle it too. The triple drop line is the industry top technology, and only a few glass factories in China can master it. After the raw material comes from the material channel, molten glass drops will be cut by weights. The molten glass drops flow along the material channel into the primary mold, are pressed and inflated, and then enter the mold for blow molding before being sent to the annealing furnaces by a conveyor. Before entering the annealing oven, The glass bottles are hot spread to prevent them from cracking or deforming during the cooling and solidification process. After leaving the annealing furnace, the glass bottles are cold spread to prevent them from breaking or being scratched when touching each other. Then the bottles will line up and enter the high-definition camera inspection machine, which will automatically remove defective or inferior bottles. After the first inspection, the glass bottles will enter the second inspection, the fully automatic bottle mouth inspection instrument, which can automatically remove bottles with cracks and defects at the mouth. The third is manual light inspection. The quality inspection workers change shifts every 30 minutes to check and pick out the bottles that the machine missed. At the same time, the quality inspectors at our quality inspection workstations will also select at least 2 bottles per model number per hour for appearance and physical performance inspections. After testing, the bottles will enter the automatic palletizing stage. New-Ray can also customize the package according to customer requirements. This is our quality inspection processing performance test room. At the end of each workshop, there is a room to do the tests like impact resistance and thermal shock resistance for the glass bottles to ensure quality. After visiting the glass production workshop, let's go to the mold workshop. Let's go! This is our mold workshop, where all the molds for producing bottles will be sent to the warehouse for inspection, maintenance, and storage. After seeing our mold workshop, let's go to the glass bottle warehouse. We have 10 warehouses in New-Ray. Let's go! This is our number 6 warehouse. There is a signboard at the entrance of the warehouse, which displays the product number, production date, production machine, and other information stored in each warehouse. It is convenient for delivery, and we can find the required goods as soon as possible to improve efficiency. Outside the warehouse is our shipping area. Our internal system will submit shipped by the shipper every day. New-Ray has also its own cooperative logistics team to ensure that the goods can reach the hands of customers safely and quickly. Today, we have detailed the various process of glass bottles from raw materials to product production and finished product delivery. I hope everyone can have a more thorough understanding of the production of glass bottles. If you need customized glass bottles, welcome contact New Ray.